Okay, try it. Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's the right way. Okay, good. I think we just gotta twist them together and then put like electrical tape on it. Wow, we did it. Look at that. This is a little makeshift work by Jaclyn and Harrison Forbes. It came through though, honestly. Whew. Hey guys, it's Jaclyn. Welcome back to another Jack IRL. If you guys are new here, I started up a new weekly vlog series, and that's what this is. So today, I'm just kind of getting ready. I have a video I have to film really soon. I'm actually going away on vacation to LA really soon, so I want to make sure that I'm stocked up on videos and I am good to go. This morning was so nice. I had a 90-minute massage. I've never had a 90-minute massage before ever. So it was definitely a very slow start to the day. I feel like the sun is already setting and I still have my full day ahead of me. Like I haven't done anything today other than get a massage. Actually, that's a lie. I did go grocery shopping because tonight is Taco Monday. I wish it was more of an alliteration like Taco Tuesday, but it's Taco Monday. Also, my brother came home from university last night, so I'm super excited to have him back home for the holidays. So I thought I would make a little festive evening and make some tacos. I'm not really sure yet what I'm gonna do with my hair. Ever since I got my hair cut last week, I just don't really know how to style short hair. Eyelash curler down. But any of you short hair people out there, let me know how to style it because I got no idea. I have a very strenuous hair care routine at the moment. And when I say strenuous, I mean not strenuous at all. I hate doing my hair, I'm so bad at it. I normally just put in a little bit of either mousse or sea spray or just something to give my hair a bit more texture and grip. Then I just take a blow dryer. This one is the Dyson. It looks super cool and it's beautiful. Honestly, don't really know if it's any different from a regular hair dryer though. Then I just flip my head upside down and blow dry. Okay, so I just found out that my whole family is leaving me tonight, and I was planning on making tacos tonight for everyone, so no one appreciates me and my cooking, so I'm just gonna make tacos and eat them by myself. Okay, so since I'm home alone tonight and I have nothing better to do, I thought I would do a grocery haul for you guys. This is where I'm at in life. I'm showing you guys what I got from the grocery store. I think it's exciting, okay? I'm interested to know what people buy at the store. Also, I got this new shirt that's very poofy and oversized. I probably actually should have got it a size down, but I'm feeling very free. So to start off, I bought a loaf of Ezekiel bread. I love bread. Bread is probably one of my favorite foods. I also bought some tofu, like the true vegan that I am. For a long time, I denied liking tofu because I wanted to be a cool vegan who didn't like tofu, but I like tofu, so I bought some. I also bought the best ice cream of all time. This is the So Delicious dairy-free cashew salted caramel cluster ice cream. True staple in my diet. I also bought some sugar snap peas. These are like my favorite snack ever. This with a bit of hummus. Ooh, so good. I also bought some jalapeno crackers. These are the Mary's crackers. Actually, I'm so hungry. It's 4:30 and I did not eat lunch because I was filming all afternoon. These are so good. Okay, I also got some cashews. I'm gonna be making like a cashew sour cream tonight for my taco night, for myself. I also got some mild salsa. I also got some pre-made guacamole. Sabra? I don't know. Veggie ground. I don't really know what this is. It's made out of soy, that's all I can tell you. But then I bought some taco seasoning, that way I can season the ground beef. And then I just got some whole wheat tacos. Oh, and then the best part, I also got some chips to go with the guac and the salsa. I was really excited for this taco night, and now no one's here to attend it. I must say, taco night is looking pretty good. The tacos have been assembled. Uh-oh, taco night got a little too crazy. I got sauce all over my face and my shirt. Oopsies. Okay, so I'm just getting my weekly vlog from last week uploaded, but I'm actually gonna head out to the Eaton Center right now, which is going to be madness because it's Christmas time, and if you're from Toronto, you know the craziness that is the Eaton Center. But it's actually really exciting because Roots has partnered with Jazz Cartier, and they're gonna be doing non-perishable food item donations. So I'm gonna go and pop by there and donate some food. I'm definitely gonna need to bundle up though because it looks so cold outside, and you guys know my thoughts on the cold. I just don't like it. We got some pumpkin pie filling, I don't know, cans of other things, and some hot sauce because who doesn't like a little Frank's? Let's go to the mall. It's also that time where I have to switch everything over into a new journal. Amanda actually got me this journal for my birthday. Of course Amanda would, because she's the bullet journal queen. Not that I'm gonna take up bullet journaling, this is just a regular journal, because I am not talented enough for that. But I'm just gonna organize everything tonight and just kind of plan out everything for January and my schedule for the next couple of weeks. I have white strips on. That's why I'm very saliva-y at the moment. Oh my god, I had the most embarrassing moment once. So I had these white strips in and I had to leave. I had to go somewhere and I run out the house, hop on the streetcar, not realizing that I still had them in. And I think I went to go grab like a transfer from the streetcar driver. And he was like, oh, here you go. I was like, oh, thank you. But like I went, oh, thank you, because I had these in my mouth, right? And I was like, oh my god, I have my white strips in. And then I didn't know what to do. So I sat there on the streetcar with these in, contemplating what I should do, because you can't just really pull them out. They kind of leave like a residue on your teeth and you have to like rinse it off after. So I was like, I'm already running late to where I've gotta go. Like I've really got no options. So I just ran to Starbucks, grabbed some napkins and like tried to clean it off my teeth. Oh, that was really not my fondest moment. Anyways, story time over. I have some friends that are about to come over and I'm gonna remember to take these off before they get here. So I should go do that now actually.
I'm trying to get that calligraphy
Just think about the fact that we shot this show like what, 8 years ago?
Yeah.
But you're still signing for the fans.
You better believe it, girl, always.
Oh my god, no, don't. This is for a child.
I know you like it.
Don't vandalize.
It's like a Dan.
I only have our remains. This is so sad.
It's a good thing they took most of the plates away, otherwise...
Oh my god, yeah, that was a disaster.
All you can eat sushi literally can never do me wrong.
I did legally change my name.
Jaclyn.
You know what? It was close. Maybe just a few letters off. This just came in the mail. How cool is this? It's a little painting of me in a video. What the heck? I think I'm still in a sushi coma from this afternoon. All you can eat sushi is always a good idea until you eat all you can eat and then you feel sick for the entire day. At least that's how I always do it. Okay, so I wanted to unbox this giant Lush gift because I haven't even opened it yet and it's been killing me, but I've been wanting to wait to open it on camera, so there's no better, oh, this is so heavy. There's no better time than the present. I actually think this wow gift is the most expensive and the biggest gift that Lush does. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, I'm pretty sure there might be one bigger one. I took a little peek on the inside tab to see what's inside and it looks like it's filled with all the limited edition, blah, 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 limited edition bath bombs and bubble bars and soaps. So I'm so excited, it just smells so good. The packing peanuts are shaped like little stars for the holidays. Ooh, it's like layered inside. There's just more and more and more. Okay, so I have no idea what these names are or what half of these products even are. This is like the first time that I'm smelling them, so this isn't gonna be too helpful, but I'm just gonna be like, it smells good. Ooh, actually this one does smell really good. Ooh, baby, this is a big one. Ooh, I actually have this one already. This is the Snow Fairy Solid Body Conditioner. Ooh, this is my favorite one. I love this every single year when it comes out. It's the Lord of Mist Roll Bath Bomb. This one makes your bath look like red wine. It like transforms in the water and it smells like patchouli and black pepper oil, but with like a hint of vanilla. This is so fun. There's just so many things inside. Layer number 2. This one looks very messy. Oh, these are so cool. I remember trying this out when I was in London at the Creative Showcase for Lush. This is like a solid massage bar, but in the Twilight Sleepy fragrance, and there's actually a dusting powder inside. So what you do is like massage it on your arm, and then you pour the powder on top. What the heck is this? Ooh, this one is so beautiful. Look at that. This is the Honey I Washed the Kid fragrance, so it smells like caramel and toffee. I think this is the third and final layer. We got bath bombs. We got, oh, that is so slippery. What is this? Oh, are you supposed to make like a 3D tree out of this? No. Yo, this is so cool. Oh my god, I think I broke it. Oopsies. Okay, it kind of works. I just broke it, I think, when I opened the bag so aggressively. It's supposed to be like a 3D little Christmas tree. There's literally just so many things. I just don't have time to go through everything. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. I mean, you know I'm a huge Lush fan. This is the ultimate Lush gift ever. I'm here at Dermalogica and I just had a facial, which is why my skin looks a little fresh It was so nice. It's like the most perfect way to start your day. Honestly, I've been coming here to Dermalogica for maybe like the past year and a half consistently, and I try to get a facial like every month or two, and it's made my skin so much healthier. Okay, so like, not to be dramatic or anything, but I'm pretty sure I basically almost died yesterday. I don't know what happened. All of a sudden, I was intensely sick. Like, I had to lay down on the couch, I couldn't move, and I just ended up falling asleep because I felt so bad. And then miraculously, 12 hours later, I woke up and I was just completely cured. And now I am 100% A-okay. Okay, I'm gonna get my full face started right now, and I'm gonna be beet red in about 10 minutes because my skin is so sensitive. It's my favorite way to remove like any peach fuzz and just clean up my little face hairs. I'm actually normally pretty good with like, I don't find it too bad. My brows look so much better already. I've been attempting to pack for like the last 2 hours and just nothing has entered my suitcase. Nothing. Why am I so bad at packing? Happy Christmas Eve! Okay, so I just got to my grandma's house. Say hello to my lovely grandmother.
Hi everyone.
She actually just had a knee surgery, like what, 2 days ago?
Yeah, on Wednesday.
How do you look this good, Grandma? I'm confused.
No wonder I love you.
Wait, you crack them and there's a pecan inside?
Yeah, I think these are pecans.
Oh my god, I've never done that.
There's two types. The pecans are in there. Some are colored and some aren't.
This is gonna sound stupid, but I didn't know that pecans came in a shell like that.
Yeah, the red ones are pecans too.
I'll try it.
Colored.
That's good. Ooh, I feel like the Brussels sprouts are gonna explode. Okay, my grandma is actually so cute. She always buys vegetable sushi because she knows that I can't eat a lot of the food. Okay, Christmas dinner at grandma's, or Christmas lunch more like, is over. Now we're headed to the airport. I don't really think I properly explained this, but I'm actually headed to California for a few weeks. I'm going with my family and my cousins are coming up. I'm honestly so excited. I just cannot wait. So yeah, we are headed to the airport. Our car is full of luggage and gifts and way too many things. I actually love that feeling when like you go to an airport and you know a trip is just about to start. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Oh my god, this weather is so perfect. This is all I need in life. Oh, it feels so good to be back here. Anyways, I think it is officially Christmas, or just about. So happy holidays. I think you guys are gonna be seeing this a bit delayed, but happy holidays to all you guys. And I'm gonna continue vlogging here while I'm on vacation, so stay tuned for next week's Jack Weekly. Oh my god, that's not what they're called. So stay tuned for next week's weekly vlog, the next Jack IRL, and you guys can stay up to date. Thanks guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye! Look at this mansion! Are you kidding me? So I was just like, oh, is there a bathroom I can use? Like, I've been in the car for a while. And they're like, okay, yeah, there's like 13 bathrooms. Which one do you want? What? I'm at number 6 right now. Is this a pool? Oh my god.